Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We're going to be opening it up, having a good look and comparing it to the iPhone 16 Pro. So yeah, let's go ahead. Okay, so let's open the box up now. And you can see it comes packaged like this. And you just get these tabs off from the back. So yeah, let's get the box open. So this one is the black titanium model. And it's the iPhone 16 Pro Max, as mentioned. There you go. Really sleek finish on the back. And yeah, look at that then. So yeah, so here you will see the camera control button. So this makes it quicker to take pictures, and if you just press it, basically opens up the camera. And there you go, your action button and your volume buttons. Okay, now let's get the cover off. So yeah, so this is a titanium with a textured matte glass back. And as you can see, it just looks so smooth and sleek. This is my favorite color of the iPhone 16 anyway. But yeah, so that screen there is a 6.9 inch. It's a Super Retina XDR display. So yeah, let's have a little closer look then. So here we are. So this is a standard thing when you buy a new iPhone and you start setting it up. So you see, you just go through these options, set the phone up. So here we have it. So that is a really sharp, clear display. That looks really, really good. Really responsive, really fast. Okay, let's keep going. Yeah. Right then, so let's have a look at the rest of the box. Okay, so here we have the USB-C charge cable. So most of these new phones now will be coming with USB-C chargers. Let's have a look at the rest of this paperwork in the box there. Yeah, and that's it. Okay. Okay, so yeah, let's have another look at the phone from the front. Let's have a look at the back there. So those cameras there, that's the 48 megapixel Fusion, 48 megapixel ultra wide telephoto lenses. So yeah, that is some really good cameras there. And that phone I'm holding now is the iPhone 16 Pro. So you can see the comparison there in the size. And yeah, so the 16 Pro is a 6.3 inch. But yeah, so the screen itself is still as sharp. It still looks really good. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and do check out my channel where I have also reviewed other items too. And see you all on my next video. Thanks again for watching.